Hi everyone, I'm cooking shrimp here for supper. I will have a chance for shrimp. And I have this preheated pan. Have to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. And then garlic, about 3 cloves. And then onions. Now I have to add a shrimp. 160 grams there, about 51 to 70 per count per pound, what it says here. It's frozen, and then I unthawed it because in Canada you can't buy fresh shrimp, especially if you live in a small town. To add a shrimp. Have to put the lid leave for maybe 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes is up. Tomato sauce. And then leave it for another 5 minutes. To add salt and pepper. Should be good. Then the last one is the green onions. Top with green onions. You can have this with rice or noodles, whichever you prefer. And thank you guys for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye-bye.